Crazy, huh? What's going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be wrapping this Mercedes-Benz SL500 in this Satin Metallic Purple by Avery Dennison. Alrighty, so we actually ended up finishing it. Didn't have enough time to really make a video, but yeah, we finished it. I'm gonna go over some of the things that I did, which were actually really hard. They were both bumpers. This one's particularly the hardest because it takes so much time to remove it and whatnot. The screws are on the inside, so I went through a lot with this bumper. Plus all those little pieces were removed individually. 1, 2 on the rear bumper, and then 2 on the front bumper. The fog glass removed on the front bumper. So many little pieces had to be wrapped. I mean, I had enough time. I went ahead and just wrapped this in metallic black, as well as the little side grills metallic black, and then the hood grills metallic black. Another thing I want to point out is the mirror was fully wrapped. That piece was fully wrapped, and also I used the minimum amount of material so that there's not a lot of cuts and whatnot, you know. So it's really not noticeable, but I pulled it off on both mirrors. Probably the most hardest mirror I have ever worked on, to be honest. They're on their way to pick it up. I'm gonna do a reveal. I don't want to park at the driveway for them to see it once they pull up. I want to actually film their reaction, because it's going to be something else. It's going to be special. So stay tuned for that. They're on the way. But in the meantime, I guess let's go over how I wrapped the car so you guys can see that I actually did remove a lot of stuff. Let's start with, like, right here. You can see the detail. Purple goes in here. Pretty nicely done. This has been removed. Goes all the way in there, all the way in there, all the way in there. I mean, it looks really nice. The bumper is really nice. This has been removed. This has been wrapped. The fender looks good. Of course, been tucked in. Looks really nice, tucked in. The side skirt's been tucked in. Those pieces, 1 and 2, have been removed, wrapped individually, as well as the door handle was removed, wrapped individually. Quarter panel looks nice. They're deleting the antenna because there's a couple issues with the antenna right now. So yeah, this part has been wrapped, tucked in. The rear portion has been finished. The trunk, no crease marks. The rear bumper, probably the longest, really. It took me 2 hours to remove this bumper. And then those little pieces, 1, 2, have been removed, wrapped individually, and then put back in place. 2 hours to remove it. It's crazy. I thought it was going to be simple. They didn't make it simple. But yeah, it looks really nice this way. Not a lot of people go this route, but when it comes in here and I'm working on it, everything's coming off. It's just how it is. Looks really nice. Looks really nice. The gas tank tucked in, everything nicely. Now this hard top has been so it has been open, and then I tucked it in all the way. Most people just cut around this grommet just across evenly. I didn't feel like doing that. That's kind of cheap, and so I lifted the whole thing up. A lot of mechanical stuff has been going on over here when it comes to me tucking in. Lift it up, tuck it in, put it back in place, you know. Lift it up, tuck it in, put it back in place. So many things had to go up and down consistently, but the end results, you could be the judge for that. It looks really nice. It looks really nicely tucked in. So yeah, there she goes. They're gonna be happy. I'm really surprised that I actually finished it in, what, 3 days. Started Thursday, didn't really work Sunday, and it's already Tuesday, and they're on their way. So technically like 3 days or 4 days. Still, that's crazy for a car like this with so much things, little things involved. Little details and everything. I mean, I'm surprised. So yeah, we'll be filming the reaction. Stay tuned, and I'll see you then.
That looks like a whole fucking car. Like a whole different car.
I told you.
Holy shit.
It's crazy, yo. It's crazy.
You got the emblem done perfect too.
Oh yeah.
Let me see the
Emblem done perfect. Oh yeah, like you requested.
So
nice.
I told you, dude. And so right here in the bag, this is what I was talking about. This piece right here, it's basically metallic. Both sides.
This?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It sparkles. It was really dull black. I was like, you're not leaving like that. Nah, so I did it sparkly. Same thing I used on here, the little girls. And then that's black too. That mirror was, oh my god, I don't even want to talk about it.
You did a good ass job.
I don't want to talk about it. That mirror was something else. There you guys have it. The owners of the Benz were really happy. They took the car and they're having fun with it. I removed everything. They couldn't believe me that I was able to do it for a reasonable price. I told them getting wrapped properly shouldn't cost an arm and a leg, and that's really what I stand by. So anyways, I got this other car, a 350Z. This is the 06 that will be wrapped by Paradox material. So definitely stay tuned for the next video, because I will be posting everything I do to this car in the next video. So yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for more content to come. We got another customer that we're gonna make happy here. I'll be using Paradox material. The color, you guys gonna have to stay tuned for the next video. It's definitely something else. I like it. But yeah, you already know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.